guys see me and you see Bespoke, that's kind of what you see about my life. What most of you don't know is I have a marketing company, a call center, that I've had for 8 years. And I have a very valued employee. We actually work together. And he's been working for me for probably 7 years, 7 years now. He's excellent. He's been begging to get a ride. And he's going to be scared shitless because I've ridden with him. He can't see. He scares me when he's driving because he's slow and indecisive. We're going to have some fun in the AMG. Merry Christmas to you, Santiago.
What do you think, Santy?
KA band. Laser.
Oh, we gotta make this thing do other
GPS
stuff.
connected.
Come on, Hector!
I think you made it.
Damn it. Can't do donuts today.
GPS connected.
That's just like a fucking roller coaster. Oh, fuck no. Wow. No wreck, no shit.
Look over, your face is shut.
Oh, shit. I got it.
It's nasty, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I love it. Your car is badass, bro. You earned it. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I figured Christmas around, I gotta give Santy a little love.